Is it Friday yet? Of course it is. It's always Friday here in Brandon, Iowa, home of Iowa's largest frying pan. This giant frying pan was built in 2004 to promote Brandon's popular Cowboy Breakfast. The local fundraiser started as a semi-annual event in 2000 and is now held annually. Each year, around 1,000 people feast on favorite foods like scrambled eggs, pancakes, biscuits and gravy, potatoes, sausage, and ham. All cooked the cowboy way, outside in cast iron cookware over open flames. With thousands of hungry fans, it's no wonder that Brandon needed some big cookware. But just how big is Iowa's largest frying pan? The pan stretches to 9 feet 3 inches at the rim. If you include the 5-foot handle, this pan reaches a grand total of 14 feet 3 inches, and it weighs a whopping 1,020 pounds. So what can you cook in a skillet this size? Well, just about anything you'd like. But according to the informational sign on site, here's how this skillet stacks up to a normal 10-inch frying pan. A standard frying pan can fry up about half a dozen or 6 eggs for breakfast. This one, 528 eggs. That's 44 dozens. A normal pan can hold 4 pork chops. This one, 352, a whopping 176 pounds of pork. Speaking of pork, you can't forget the bacon. And while a normal 10-inch frying pan can fry up 1 pound of the meat, the largest frying pan holds 88 pounds. That's a lot of bacon. Well, it's time for me to step out of the frying pan and into the next roadside attraction. Are you as excited about roadside attractions as I am? Well, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, follow my channel, and join me for my next adventure.